There are times government injures us, takes our money, defective drug dealing, biological weapons. I have a whole folder of it. Intentionally delaying things, without communication, without looking at the evidence, running away from the facts, profiting on public funding by ordering profits be paid to the courts, feeding off social assistance and disability at the expense of those disabled the Ministry of Health failed to protect. The Attorney General of Ontario refused to provide legal counsel, along with the federal court, as a result of not enough funding, as a result of the Ministries of Health negligence, failing to protect the public. The Attorney General of Canada and the Deputy Attorney General of Canada failed to protect Canada's national defense, knowing chemical weapons are attacking the brain, the spine, the reproductive system, funded by the World Bank, funding corporations' warfare, to harm and to injure the genitals or reproductive organs, forcing our judicial system in its capacity, representing the Constitution, representing the public, into disrepute, harming Canada's sovereignty and those we love. I'm confident the ICC will discover other countries involved in the same warfare, affecting generations of reproductive health, hiding chemical weapons, harming international athletes, cultures. Our families, our children are more than prepared to defend, dividing public and government law, waging war on the planet, our right to coexist. This has resulted in harming international sovereignty. Compensation will be awarded. Get our kids off the street. Let's secure our food for communication, our food for nutrition, our food for health. Enforcing international public laws. Renewable resources can be divided. Essential services a third, intelligence a third, brand a third, each voting on you. This is about world leaders uniting a sustainable body, a renewable governance, representing all countries equally, grateful to share in our success. Protecting all nationalities, very few have the opportunity to protect and serve a national peacekeeping. We already know we can automate step 1. Daily foods, daily resources, invest into step 1. Energy, step 2. A renewal supply to automate abundance. What you put in, you get out. Into step 3. A unified computer intelligence to automate the flow. Thank you for listening.